First time kong nakakita ng ganitong design. Although may mga pub na iba, pero this is different. My name is Donald Fajardo Gabriel. This is high-end pub and mostly yung pumapasok dito is high-profile persons and family. So, nag-elevate din ako sa pagdating sa pagkain. Yung existing namin na menu today is Western, but all of it is from the scratch. Even the dressings, the dips, everything is from the scratch. Kaya inano namin na we'll be adding more. For now, yung sinaserve po namin is 1 or 2 Filipino dish. But aside from that, Western. Maraming drinks, cocktails, vodkas, different shots. Even draft beer meron kami dito. Wala ka nang pupuntahan na iba kasi pag hinanap mong isa, talagang meron kami.
Bali, nakahango po siya sa British style na pub. So, sikat sa London, na ganito po yung tema niya. Meron po tayong European po na tinatawag natin na Hoegaarden. Meron German, meron mixtape, meron Hoegaarden. Then meron tayong Tequila Sunrise, bestseller na Margarita, Strawberry, and Charles, and Blueberry. And meron din po tayong Laisons, cocktail, and Blue Bella, and Mudslide, sir.
So, welcome to our table.
Yes.
And also, welcome to the Friendship Pub.
Yes, so kung makikita nyo ngayon, medyo secluded tayo since nasa VIP room tayo.
Yes, so they have 2 VIP rooms po and we are at VIP room number 2. And siguro, bago natin tingnan to, or what can you say about the place?
Place is a one of a kind para sa akin.
Yes.
Hindi siya yung basta-basta na klase ng pub na maingay.
Yes.
Makakakita ka ng your personal space, I think.
Yes, para sa akin naman, parang mga old but goodies. Classic na datingan. Sabi nga nila, this is inspired sa mga European pub. Soft, at the same time, chill lang yung vibe.
Correct. So, ayun guys, actually, yung food na nasa table natin, hindi pa kompleto. So, nagpapasalamat po kami, the Friendship Pub. Napakasarap po ng yung pagtanggap sa amin. So, what do we have on our table, bro?
So, on our table, syempre, una natin yung mga salad natin. Meron Caesar salad and yung Greek salad. Yes, syempre, hindi mawawala dyan. Crispy pata.
Yes.
Fried chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Roasted chicken and yung kanilang beef ribs. Yeah.
Wow. So, if you notice, guys, a lot of the dishes actually are shareable.
Yes.
So, I mean, they're good for 2 or more than 3.
They don't need to worry about the price. Kasi nasilip natin yung menu kanina and very affordable.
Very affordable.
Yes.
Considering the place, it feels luxurious.
Yes.
It feels like high-end. Pero yung price pala natin dito, abot tayo.
Abot tayo naman.
Dumarating na yung mga additional dishes natin.
So, sa mga dumating natin, meron tayong mga pasta. So, meron tayong aglio olio, lasagna, carbonara, and yung kanilang pub burger.
Alright,
Ayan.
so go. Tingnan na natin to. So, I think this is roasted beef ribs. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. Pure meat. Paborito. So I think this is one of the place na talagang dadayuhan na naman.
Yes.
Lalong-lalo na for those who are looking for really, an elevated place, high-end, ambience, parang gano'n. However, yung mga pagkain natin dito, still sulit.
Yes, at the same time, kung kayo yung naghahanap ng place to chill, na hindi maingay, na makakapag solo time kayo or me time kayo, this is a place to be.
Okay, so the desserts came in. Actually, di pa tayo tapos, pero nandito na. Alright. So there you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out. This is a brand new food spot. Yeah, you can discover po dito po sa Angeles City.
Yes, so this is the Friendship Pub na located dito sa may Friendship Highway, Angeles City. And they're open from 4 p.m. until 1 a.m.
The following day.
Yes.
Ayun po. So, if you like the food you saw in this video, and if you are interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including the fan page po that you can check out.
Yes.
And as well as, yun po, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga.
Peace out. Bye, guys!